Given us victory, the court accepted that Zamfara State APC has conducted the primaries and based on the witness presented before that court. So we Zamfara people are happy with the outcome, and we thank the Department of Justice and the judges who stood on their ground to ensure that justice has been delivered. It's not too late, and some of us that were given opportunity or encouraged by the president, we should go and seek for justice. Some of them are still in the court. So this victory for today is not late, and I'm telling you, I can tell you in entire Nigeria, Zamfara is one of the states that APC is sure 90%. Up to now, I'm talking to you. If I decide today not to go back to Zamfara, and 16th February, you will see what is going to happen. Because people are waiting. How can a system that has been running since 1998 to date, and just over a night, and said those people were just scrapped, and they were denied all the mandate, so they were not participated in the election, I think it's not fair. But let me as well let me also thank the INEC as well for, in the state, because there's two conflicting statements, one in the national and one in the state. The state INEC has went round and conducted the supervision as allowed by the law. Unfortunately, the INEC in the national did not wait to receive the report of the Zamfara State Independent Electoral Commission represented by the reg there, and they went ahead and give the pronouncement. But anyway, INEC stood in the court and said they have witnessed election of APC in Zamfara State, and we secure certified true copy from INEC and presented before the court. And I think it's one of the documents that supported the court and their processes to pass the judgment in our favor. So I'm assuring you that Zamfara State is APC 100%. Even the opposition, they're fully aware about that. We thank God for giving us this victory. And nothing that brought this victory to us, but I think it's justice. Some other people are saying that the reign of Yarima and Abdulaziz for 20 years is over in Zamfara State. But I believe Almighty God can give power to whoso desire whomso he desired to give to, and he promised to sustain the power as long as the justice is being reigned in that power given to you. So I believe what we have been doing in Zamfara State, God will continue to give us. If the other leaders are coming, we maintain the path of justice. We believe that will be returned to the grandchildren. It's only justice that God wants from anyone. So, and also, to use this opportunity to call on the parties. It didn't die at the party level. You can see. Party, I can say they have not done justice to us, but we have forgiven. Because in democracy, there's a process. Section 87 of the Act, up to Section 87, 1 to 10 to 14, is very clear what should be done. So in our own case, we are denied so many things. But as I said earlier, we are forgiven and we're going to continue, but they should know that it not die at the party level. There's two courts. Okay. One party has gone to court here in Abuja seeking they should be given right to write names and submit to INEC. And the judge says, what madness? What is the use of INEC? What is the use of we court sitting down here? What is the use of the Act? Section 87 very clear. What the party said they are looking for, they have done promise in consensus. Which consensus? Now, let me ask the media people here. When the president, he is the #1 citizen given consensus by the APC, but I think there's a process followed. In our own respective state, ward by ward, over 8,000 wards, people queue and adopt president. And finally, we come to Abuja here in Eagle Square and adopt him. How can you say you did consensus without doing any process? So that's what the court says. How can you ask a leave from the court to give you powers to sit down just in your office and put names. That's why she dismisses that case. So go to Zamfara, what happened? Then you tell me.